weekend, we're gonna pull off this front bumper and we're gonna cut it up a little bit, and we're gonna make our front lip from scratch out of fiberglass. It's gonna rain tonight, so we're gonna be in the garage, so if I don't have the best camera angles, you know why. Saturday, it's nice out. We're actually gonna do the front lip today instead, because last night when I started recording, there were black bars coming down the screen and I was gonna have crap quality for you guys to watch. So I called it quits last night. Gonna start over today and get this lip done as fast as we can, alright? Man, it is bright out here. Alright, so now that the front bumper is all taped up, we're gonna head over to Lowe's to pick up some materials so we can get started on making this thing from scratch. So I'm not happy with this lip at all. It's got a lot of waves in it, a lot of imperfections. It's got a lot of high spots and it's got a lot of low spots, so it's going to take a lot of sanding and shaping to get to the correct shape that I want it to be. There are some spots, if I do sand it, I'll end up sanding through it and I'll have to rebuild it in some sort of way. I have to get creative with it, but I'm thinking about using spray foam to shape it better. But at the same time, I don't know if I want to continue building this lip. I've already invested so much time and so much money into it. I have a solid, I think, 17 hours put into just building this lip alone, taping everything off, cutting the bumper, yada yada yada. Alright, so I know the title of this video says it's part 1 of this DIY front lip, but I don't know how I feel about it exactly. Like I went over before, it's got some stuff that needs to be worked out with it, and I don't know if I want to continue the process of building it when it's not going to come out the way I want it to. If you want to see a part 2, if you want to see me finish this and have a one-of-a-kind lip that no one will ever have for this car, let me know in the comment section down below if I should continue building this. If you look over to the bottom right hand side of this video, you will see that YouTube has embedded my logo into all of my videos. Now if you hover over that, it will ask you to subscribe, and I highly recommend that you guys do subscribe and keep yourself engaged and commenting and liking the videos, because it really helps me out here. If you guys are looking forward to seeing brand new videos every single week, I highly recommend you hit that button and hit the bell so you never ever miss an episode. Thanks guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, just park it over there. Thanks, Dad.